What's up guys, it's your boy Coach Sambo, and today I'm here with B-Girl Gita. We just finished up a really cool class with these kids, and we're gonna be showing you this really cool little combo that you can do with pilot freezes and chair freezes. Before starting out with this one, it's strongly recommended to be able to do pilot freezes and especially chair freezes on both sides. So first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna start in a pilot freeze. Now, one of the most important things during your pilot freeze is that you keep this leg stretched to the front. You should be able to see this leg. If you put this leg all the way to the back, if you put it right here, she's not gonna be able to see that leg. You see the form isn't the way it should be, right? So make sure your leg is nicely put to the front. Then we have this other leg that we have here in the back. We're gonna swing it forwards, not too high. And then we're gonna place that one on the floor. And as you can see, you can gently transition into the pilot freeze on the opposite side. Now, one thing I gotta say is that the head does slide to kind of like help you fix the form when you switch from one freeze to the other. So let's go back to the other side, swing. And as you can see here, her head slides forwards. Also, another thing you might notice is that she is using both hands during this whole process. All right, now let's move on to the next step. Start from your pilot freeze position. Now fall backwards or drop backwards into a chair freeze. See how that leg was in the air? And it's perfectly placed to fall backwards and position itself in a chair freeze. Now we return back to the same pilot freeze. Swing over to the other side, slide that head, and same thing here, boom. Chair freeze on the other side. See how she maximizes the swing of the legs and those circles in the legs? Really making the move crystal clear. All right, so at this point, I think it's already kind of useful. You can do this from a windmill to transition out of your power moves. That definitely looks pretty cool. But if you're just a little creative with this, I bet you can find tons of different stuff. All right, now let's take it one level further. So we're gonna start in our chair freeze. We're gonna switch the legs, switch back, boom. And then head on over to the pilot freeze, boom. Other side, chair, switch, and here we go again, boom, boom, bam. And again, switch. Pretty cool combo, right? You know, the main goal is for you to find your own obviously, because that's the goal within this b-boy and b-girl game. So during our class, we had a little time for creativity. Meanwhile, during the class, Gita found her own variation on this move. So let's check it out. That's pretty cool, right? Let's make things clear, guys. Do not bite her. That's her move. Just use the ingredients that I shared with you guys so you can find your own stuff. So with that said, I wish you guys a lot of luck. Don't forget to subscribe for other videos and check out my website for that super secret content. It's your boy Coach Sambo, Gita, representing the Battle Droids. And never forget, at the end of the day,
when you think about it, it's just all about that b-boy and b-girl.
Peace.